Hi, my name is Seth and welcome back for another video. In this video we are going to build the second gear, which is the last part that we are going to need for the differential gearbox. This is the picture of the second gear and this is the second gear on the differential setup. So let's begin immediately our part, which is the second gear, and let's create a new file. Part design. The first thing is that we are going to import our first gear that we just created in the last video, which is this one, and let's begin our sketching. First I'm going to select this face and let's begin our sketching. Let's change the view. The other one. Good. Let's create a circle and the diameter should be the same as this circle. Great. So let's exit the sketch. Let's select the extruded boss. Now we need the extruded boss on the two directions, so I'm going to select the second direction and I'm going to put this to up to surface. The surface that we are going to finish with is this face. Perfect. On the first direction we need the extruded boss to be 12 units and we're done. Great. So let's select this face. Let's begin the sketching and I will choose this view. Let's create another circle and the diameter of this circle should be 21, and let's exit the sketch. Now we need an extruded boss with 25 units. Good. Now we need a chamfer on this edge and this one. So let's add it on features, chamfer, and the radius should be 1 millimeter. Good. Perfect. Now we need teeth that you just saw on the picture. So we all know how to add teeth. So let's go and select this face. Sketch. Let's change the view. And let's create a circle. The center of this circle should be the same as this one. And the diameter of this circle should be 17.5. Perfect. And let's make it for construction. So select your circle and click for construction. Now we need two circles. Before the circles we need a center line. Center line should begin from here and it should be vertical like that. And now let's create a circle. The center of the circle should be on this construction circle. The diameter of this circle should be 6. Good. And the distance between this point and the center line should be 3.6. Very good. Now let's add another circle on the same construction circle, and we will add a relation between this circle, which is already selected, and this one with the center line, and let's select the relation symmetric. Now we have the same circle as we just did before, and let's make them for construction. Scroll down for construction. Good. After creating these two circles, we need a 3-point arc. The first 3-point arc should be here. So let's select this point and this one, and the third point should be on the circle. Let's build another one, so select this circle and this one. The third point should be on this circle. The third 3-point arc should begin from here to this point, and the third point should be here. The construction circle is not automatically selected, so it's not a big problem. Let's select somewhere over here and let's change the dimension of this arc, or the radius of this arc, to be 3. Now we have the same radius as the construction circle. Now let's select a last 3-point arc, so from this point to this one, and the third point should be on the circle. Good, now we have our full sketch. Let's exit the sketch and let's zoom out and let's use the extruded cut feature. The extruded cut should be 20 units, and then click OK. There you go. Now we need some fillets, so I'm going to select, hold on, I'm going to select this edge and this one, and let's create a fillet. The radius of the fillet should be 0.25. Nice. Let's add another fillet on this edge, on this little edge, if you can see it. Let's add a fillet with 3.25 units, and don't forget to deselect the tangent propagation. Okay, nice. Now we have our form that we need for the teeth. Now we need a circular pattern, so let's do it. Circular pattern. The features to select is the cut extrude, the fillet, and second fillet, and the instances should be 15. The direction, let's select this edge to be the direction. Good, everything seems okay, and let's see how it goes. Perfect. Now we have the teeth of our form. Now we just need some fillets, so I'll select this one and this edge and this one, and let's have a 1 mm radius fillet. Okay, excellent. Now we have all what we need for the second gear. Let's just finish by adding some colors, some beautiful colors. So let's begin. Good, now we have the second gear, so let's save this file. I always forgot to save files before quitting the video, but it's a simple thing. You should always save your files on the same folder as I already recommended, because in the assembly we will need the whole parts to be on one folder to make a good assembly. So let's name it gear 2, and let's save it. So that's all for this video. In the next one we will build the differential system with an assembly, and see you on the next video, and peace out.